The main challenge in underground mining is maintaining reliable communication between the working face and the surface. As automation increases, fewer people work underground, which makes seamless connectivity essential for minimizing risk and maximizing productivity. Our Wondertek Powerline Ethernet bridge is built for harsh conditions for underground mining. It delivers network transmission through existing power lines. This will go up to 550 megabits per second, 800 meters of range, very robust to withstand very high temperatures and high vibrations and electrical interference. It ensures real-time control and monitoring even in limited space or where GPS is lacking. This enables automated machine control, live video feeds from underground cameras, and critical sensor data for safety and efficiency. With Wondertek, we have 17 years of experience. We offer all OEM and ODM services to answer all your industrial needs.